Well, this is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to add a password to your applications on your Xiaomi phone. So if you don't want someone using something like that, or you want to protect it, just swipe on down from top right and go to Settings. Go on down to Apps and choose this. Go to App Lock. Now come up with the password. And once you do that, you can add certain apps to this list that will lock when you want to access them. So I did that for maybe gallery editor and then gallery. Now every time I go to my photo gallery right here, you can see I have to enter in this password. It protects my photos. So I can just do this now and swipe it to unlock it, and then I have access to my photos right here. Very easy to do. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Euro 6 Studios.